And the last bit is to close the session off. You've done lots of new things today. You've actually used your imagination. You've actually relaxed and let yourself use some of your intuition. Because you've done these things, you've actually set the scene up where you will find yourself doing some of the things we've talked about automatically. Because we've used mental rehearsal, because you've rehearsed states, because you've connected good feelings with taking action, you will actually find yourself doing some of the stuff that we've talked about. And I would suggest that by the next time we meet, you will be further ahead than we think. But you will tell me, what happens is what really happens, but that's my sort of predictions of what's going to happen before we actually come again. You're actually going to catch yourself taking the steps that you need to take to move forward. The end frame is finding a way to wrap the session up. So you can, there are many ways of doing it, but one of the most important things is providing a sort of seamless continuation point from the overall session to a time in the future. And also remember, often people remember what you've said at the beginning, and they'll remember what you said at the end, and they'll forget all the rest. So it's worth spending a bit of time thinking about what you said at the beginning of the session and thinking about what you said at the end of the session. What you do in the middle is very important, but people may remember the beginning and the end.